Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here with the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, and I am coming at you today with your January market update. First month of the 2019 already over. It is February. When did that happen? I don't know. But I do have some updates and statistics for you. Interestingly enough, the sales prices in most of the Metroplex actually stayed about steady. Collin, Denton, Ellis, and Johnson County stayed just about where they were in 2018 versus 2019. Now in Tarrant County, we're very lucky where we are. We saw about a $20,000 jump from 249 up to 268, so it's actually 19,000, but almost 20. And then in Denton County, they did see about a $10,000 jump from 340 to 350. So all good news still. 2018 was a good year. 2019 will also be a good year. We did see fewer closed sales in January of this year than what we saw last year. I would attribute that, personally, my opinion is that with the rise in interest rates and as the market has started to stabilize a little bit, consumers sort of paused for a second. But I will tell you that in my business and in talking to other agents around the Metroplex, it's like on January 2nd, somebody flipped a switch. We're all busy, things are improving, things are getting a little bit chaotic around here actually. So that's all very good. I am gonna also let you know, this is a little bit more than just January, but I was recently at a conference in the last couple of days where we were talking about the 2019 forecast. A lot of people are a little bit nervous because they feel like things have slowed down and they feel like we're heading into a decline. That is absolutely not what is happening. We are not headed to a decline. What we're headed to is a stabilization and a normalization. We were doing 10%, 12%, crazy appreciation over the last 4 years or so. We've just seen these numbers skyrocketing, right? I mean, it's kind of fun, I'm going to tell you as an agent, to go tell somebody that they've gained $100,000 in equity over the course of 4 to 5 years. Like, that's a really fun conversation to have. However, it is not sustainable. So what has happened is we're seeing this crazy appreciation go to normal appreciation. So instead of these 10% appreciation rates now, over the next couple of years, we're going to see them normalize back down to 2, 3, 4%. Okay, so no reason to panic. We're not going into a decline. We did have fewer closed sales in January of this year, but now that the adjustment is being made and people are getting used to it, I think that 2019 will ultimately outpace what 2018 sales were. So hope everyone is having a great 2019. Happy February, happy Valentine's Day, and I will talk with you soon.